Hi, this video is going to be talking about the importance of the listing sales information sheet. So this sheet is required for any new listing, a listing that has sold, or a buyer sale. So this is quintessential in ensuring that your transactions are processed accurately and timely. So the information here at the top, East Regional, that is our office. This section here is identifying the property in which you are submitting the documentation for, whether it be a listing sold, or a buyer sale. Address, city, the listing date, the listing price, the MLS number. Here it's talking about the contract. So obviously this will not be filled in if you are just submitting this for a brand new listing. This will be filled in for a listing sold and for a buyer sale. This is really important right here, the sales price and the commission base. I purposely made them different because this is discussing what the sale price is on the contract, and this is discussing what the commission is based on. Now at Coldwell Banker, we do not list our properties with a net commission base, meaning the sales price minus any seller's assist, but I wanted to show you this. This is where you would indicate that. Where the source of the lead came from and the earnest money deposits. Over here, you will see the deal type. So what type of transaction is it? And then identifying the property over here. Now, if you are the buyer's agent, you will come over here to the right side and be filling this out all along the right side. If you are representing the seller and you are listing the property, you will begin filling out the left side. This discusses commission. This referral section is extremely important. So if you receive this lead for the listing or for the sale from anyone, regardless of the source, and you have agreed that Coldwell Banker will pay them a referral fee, you must fill this out. You have to fill this out so that we know to pay that referral company at closing. Down here, it's now identifying the brokerage and the agent. So regardless if you are on the selling side or the buyer side, you need to make sure that this is filled out. So you will identify yourself and then you will identify the other party. Down here where it says team transaction. So some of you guys, every once in a while, you might co-list a property with someone. I just sent out information about commercial deals and pairing up with another agent. If you are splitting a transaction with someone for some reason, this is where you will want to indicate that. You will want to discuss how much of the deal the person is getting, the units, the awards, how you're splitting the flat fee, all of that is done here. Client information, if you have the buyer or if you have the seller, you want to make sure that this is filled out in its entirety. Here it states an attorney, so if it's an estate or a divorce situation or whatever it may be, if there's an attorney involved, you'll put their information there. And then here it has lender and title. So what's nice about this is this can be pre-populated in your templates, so you do not have to fill out everything every time. So for instance, if you're using Keystone for all of your title work, you can type all of this in here on your buyer side transactions and you won't have to mess with it again. Same thing with GRA. This second page, this is only applicable if you are splitting a deal with someone. So any questions, please let me know, but this is an absolute necessity. We need this to create the transaction, to process any type of hand money, do anything of that nature. So as soon as you have a new listing or a new sale, this information sheet must be filled out and then all documentation submitted to Homebase, ideally within 24 to 48 hours. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.